Our hands play an important role in our lives. We communicate with our hands. We cherish with our hands. We explore with our hands. We care with our hands. From now on, we can also check our health with our hands. Using a convenient fingerstick, you can stay at home. It's so easy. With PostYourLab, you have a unique and innovative blood testing method. Reliable, safe, easy to use and very user-friendly. With just a tiny fingerstick, you will be able to collect a few drops of blood with PostYourLab. The blood is conserved within the PostYourLab device and can be sent to the laboratory by regular postal services. Innovative and yet so simple. At the lab, the PostYourLab sample is registered. The blood is analyzed to the highest standards of accuracy. Within 5 working days, you will receive a text message. The lab results will be easy to read online. PostYourLab has been developed by Labonovum with the ultimate goal to transform the complete process of blood collection and lab diagnostics. Take control of your health with PostYourLab. Labonovum, innovation from hand to health.